Thugs, AK. Yeah.
You know nothing come easy. You gotta try real hard. I tried hard, but I guess I gotta try hard. I try so hard.
So, Ryan, you seem pretty fit. What is your training regimen like?
Just try to wake up strong every morning and immediately just eat a big breakfast and, you know, just give it 110% all day from there on in. You know how it is, man. So yeah, practice plays a big part of that. I try to train my body and mind to respond in certain ways, so that when I need to, I can rely on my instincts to, you know, without having to think about the process, just rely on those instincts and stuff like that. So, for example, like if Les is going to say, like, you know, guys, you got to remember to keep the main thing. I'm like, main thing, boom, out of here. So yeah, I just try to give her hard and eat my fruits and vegetables all the time, and you know, make healthy snack choices, almonds, bananas, and things like this. So, you know, I try to eat a lot of bran to stay regular, and you know, you got to be careful what you put in the tank, man. Like, well, you know, obviously it's a huge honor to be able to play and share a dressing room with my teammates here. They're all like really great guys and stuff like this. You know, obviously it's a huge honor to be able to play and share a dressing room with my teammates here. They're all like really great guys and stuff like that. So, you know, they always got my back and they always keep me in line.
Woo! You gotta keep your head up, son.
It's amazing to play for a team like this where we're on the same side and we help each other succeed. You know, it's about the logo on the front of the jersey and not about the name on the back, right? That's how it goes, eh? So, yeah. You know, sometimes you hit the wall, and your body just can't give anymore. That's when you gotta keep going. That's where the mental toughness needs to come in. Having the ability to bear down and get through the tough times. It's pretty, whew. You know, I look around, I see my teammates out there giving it all they got. You know, there's Earl, he's up there singing Abide with me at the front of the chapel every night. Tyler's in there eating everybody's scraps after every meal. Justine's just really trying as hard as she can to learn English. You know how hard it is to learn a second language, right? You know, all this stuff, it just drives me to keep going. And I know when my shift is done, that there's a whole team on the bench, like they're waiting to back me up.
It's emotional.
Yeah, that's emotional.
Ryan, I saw you were filming with the fry out there on the ice. Some people have even labeled you clumsy. How do you handle that?
That's fine, but bottom line is skills can only get you so far, right? Some people are out there thinking they got to be like a Wayne Gretzky type player, a Bobby or an Andrew Chong or something like this. But really, like, this isn't Canadian Idol. Some people don't have the kind of money to go out there and like get a couple thousand shirts printed up with the name and face on them and stuff like that. So that stuff doesn't matter. I practice hard. I play hard. I do what my God-given abilities allow me to do, and I thank Jesus Christ for it every single day.
Ain't that the truth? Ryan, what's the game plan for the second?
Well, you know, I just got to come out with all lines firing and drive straight at the real questions and important subjects. Obviously, the small talk isn't going to cut it in the third here, and I know that. So I just got to put the plan into action. It's the bottom line, right?
All right. Thanks, Ryan. And good luck. This is Brendan McAllister, Anvil 1 News.
How's your junior chicken doing?
Actually, I got the full McChicken.
This is full McChicken?
I order from combos 1 through 6. I'm a full meal kind of girl.
I was wondering if you'd want this. Will you be on my team?